at the end of the day, the only thing that fucking matters in business is making money. So what you need to be doing is sitting down and being like, how do I make fucking cheddar? And you make money by solving problems. You're in business not for fucking philanthropy. This dude, when I found him, he was in business for philanthropy. He was in business giving up his time to serve people and making nothing from it. So I told him, don't be allergic to money. You're in business for profit. And now he's doing 7 figures. So if you want to level up, you need to understand that you serve people by selling to people a product that they need. And many times they don't even know that they need that. But it is essential if you're trying to win the game of business. Profits, profits, profits. Without a vision, people perish. But without
money,
without a cha-ching-ching, the vision perishes. You need cash flow, you need money. Cash flow is the lifeblood of the business. Think money. What can I do today to make my business money? That's it. Fuck everything else. Make the moolah. Peace.
and then the second point that I was going
You heard it here first.